Let's learn English in short time. We welcome you wherever you are to the topic of the day. Please, the lesson we are going to study is on prepositions of movement. What are prepositions of movement? These are prepositions show where people or objects are moving toward. I gave you some sentences like examples. Number 1. We walked from school for 20 minutes. Let me repeat. We walked from school for 20 minutes. The preposition there is from. Number 2. Father got into the bus just as it was about to leave. Let me read again. Father got into the bus just as it was about to leave. As it is colored there, you can see that into is not the preposition of movement. Number 3. Teta went to school. Let me repeat the sentence. Teta went to school. But there you can see to is a preposition that is showing the direction where someone is going to. Here are some examples of prepositions of movement. We can say to, from, into, in, on, up, over, through, along, out of, down, under, round, across, toward, and by. There are other many examples of prepositions of movement you can list. So let's go step by step by explaining one by one. Let us look at number 1. 2. You can see that arrow is pointing directly to this case. You can see. It shows where you are going. For example, you can say, Jane is going to France next week. Jane is going to France next week. Number 2, from. As you can see the box there, I show you an arrow which is coming from that box, which means an area or a particular place where you come from. From. Now here we can say, we walked from the hotel to the station. Let me read again. We walked from the hotel to the station. You can see that from is used there. By there, and by looking these examples, you can make yours. Number 3, into. Into. You can see that I make a box here, and the box is in. You can see the arrow is showing that something is going to be put in. And then you can see another one coming from that case and is going to that case also, that box. So you can say into. For example, you can say we jumped into the water. We jumped into the water. Number 4 is out of. Out of. You can see they are like to be opposite if I've seen. Anyway, into, its opposite may be out of. You see, the box I wrote there is an arrow. And an arrow to the second box is showing that it is out of. Here we can say a man gets out of the house and got into a car. A man get out of the house and get into a car. There are some exceptions that are prohibited to be said. We say put something in, and we don't say put something into. I think that wherever you are, you enjoy this topic. We will continue the next time with looking at several parts as I gave you in examples of prepositions of movement. Keep loving, keep subscribing. Thank you very much. Your teacher, Dan. Well.